Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to add PDF Embed to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the new posts, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add PDF Embed to Blogger. So go to drive.google.com with your Google account and click on New, File Upload, and your PDF Upload. Then click on the three dots on the PDF file and select Get Link and put anyone with this link in view. Then in Blogger, just go and click on New Post and click on Settings. Scroll down here to the HTML. Just a second. And when you're down there, you just need to go and here post your HTML, click Save, and that will be that. Also, you need to go and then click the when you're of course in the HTML editor, you need to go and put in this code. Just a second, I will be copying it for you now, pasting it, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.